This is my favorite putter cover for mallet style putters. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a ReadyPutt putter cover. I've already shown you the ReadyPutt putter cover that I have gotten. ReadyPutt putter cover. I could just keep saying that. Rolls off the tongue. And I use a blade style putter, and they make them for that. Now, what I have never checked out before is this mallet style cover. And this is actually their original cover. I think they added the blade style covers later. And so I just wanted to give you a little tour of this and then try it out on one of my mallet style putters right here. Imagine that. So it has the ReadyPutt logo, kind of silk screened on the front here. This is in black with some orange highlights. I think it looks great. Kind of reminds me of a Tag Heuer watch. And you can get them in different colors, but this is a interesting material. I think they call it a ballistic nylon, so it should resist wearing pretty nicely. As you can see, we have a little Velcro flap here, so it'll close over. We also have two openings basically on this side and this side, so whether you're a righty or lefty, your putter should fit in there. It has some nice weight to it. It's pretty robust. The inside here has a fleece-like lining, so you won't have to worry about scratching anything. And then down here on the bottom, you have almost a neoprene-like area, but underneath this little fabric right there is a magnet. So if you have a little ball marker like this, a little metal one, it just fits right there and stays right there. A little divot repair tool, something like that, you can have them right there. It's a very strong magnet, so I've never lost anything from them. Even when this is banging around in your bag on the back of a cart, it's very strong and you just pull it off there. So you always have your ball marker with you. It's really, really nice. Then on the top side, instead of just having wasted space here, what you have is this terry cloth little cleaning pad right there. So you can pour a little water on it, run it under some water, and then what you can do then is when you get up to the green and you've got dirt on your golf ball, you just clean it off. You get a nice shiny ball to putt and then put it back down. So this is really clever. And on top of that, it's attached with Velcro, so you can just pull it off, run it underwater. There's an impermeable layer under there, so you don't have to worry about it soaking down or running through onto the putter cover itself. And if this wears out eventually, you can just replace it. You can order a replacement there, but it just sticks on like that. So, you know, if you've got some water, you want to just run it under a faucet, something like that, to get it nice and wet, put that sucker on there. You can have clean balls, you can mark them. Everything that you need is in the cover itself, and you can take your standard mallet style putter here, and it's not made for this one, but as you can see, it'll just go right on there, close it up. You can see how the shaft pokes out there. It's a great fit, looks great. You can get this in a lot of different colorways so that it matches your other head covers if you want, and they are really inexpensive. Some of the branded putter head covers are really expensive, and this one is under 30 bucks. So if you want to pick up this putter cover with all of the stuff you're going to need around the green, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out. And then down here on the bottom, this little, damn it,